I'm rolling. My 5.0. Got my windows down so my hair can't blow. The girlie's on standby, waiting just to say hi. Did you stop? Nah, I just drove by. This is on a quick speed shop. Check it out. Bam, we got Fox body action coming to you live from the road. They got a Mercury Capri and they got a 5.0 Stang. We're going to talk about them right now. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home. So here's one of them here. This is a 1979 Mercury Capri. This is original paint. Back when Bob lived about a mile from my house, our neighbor built this car with his son back in the 90s, I guess, 96, I think. And it's got a built 351 Cleveland stuffed in it. You'll never probably see another Mercury Capri with a 351 Cleveland. I can probably guarantee you that. But check this out. It's awesome. Look at that. Bam. It barely fits under there. And he went and he actually cut the original scoop in the hood of the Capri hood to run the air cleaner through it. Got this big old Cleveland in here. It's awesome. We got the original paint on this car. It's got 10 hole wheels. Original interior, which is out of it right now. Unfortunately, this is a New York car. I think it's been all its life. Originally, it was a 2.8 liter V6. But when we bought it, it was kind of like undercoated on the bottom. We couldn't tell that the guy, when he did it, he used galvanized or aluminum tin. He patched a bunch of rust in the back. So this car's in Pennsylvania now, and it won't pass inspection with any holes in the body. So Bob's got to go ahead, and he's got a floor pan that he ordered for this from, I think, CJ Pony Parts or somebody like that, to replace all this rear floor section. But you can see the rust damage over here is pretty significant. Got a couple pinholes down here. Then this has got to come out. But I guess what happened is that the hatch leaked forever, and it got some salt and water in here, and you can see on top of the frame rail it's got rot. Over here it's got some more rot. Over here the battery was sitting on this side. So he's got a project here. He's got this thing all torn apart. He's got the floor pan section he ordered here. So this is for a 79 to 93 Mustang, but it's similar, pretty much almost identical to the Capri, even though they're the bodies are a little bit different on the outside. But he's going to use this for fixing that car. So I like this car. I really thought about buying it. It was pretty reasonable. I wouldn't have been scared about the rust. I would have fixed it a little bit. Probably not put the whole floor pan in it, but I would have patched it. And I would have left the original paint on it here on the outside, just driven it like it's a summer muscle car. But I got too many projects, so I passed on it. And then when Bob bought it and he moved down here to PA, he brought it with him. So he's been slowly tinkering on this. We're going to move this out of the way here because we got to get another project out. So the reason we got to move the Capri out here is we got an 88 Mustang GT. This thing he bought from his friend at work. It's a 5-liter car, but it's got a bunch of cool stuff on it. It's got like a trick flow upper setup here with heads, trick flow heads, trick flow intake, a bunch of other stuff. It's got a cowl induction hood. It's got some, I think, lowered suspension, like a different K-member in it or something like that. It's got the body kit action working on here. Got some big Cobra, like Cobra R wheels, I think, on it. It's got a pretty fancy paint job, blue with the silver stripes on it. So I guess it's got a little bit of engine issue here. So we're gonna get this thing out so I can go to the engine shop, get the engine fixed on it, and we got to shuffle everything around. But we got the big cowl induction hood on it here, and I think it has a 5-speed in it, I believe. There, so it's on skates. We got to go ahead and get everything shoved around, get it out of here. And this will be one of Bob's Mustang GT cruisers. So we're gonna shuffle the Capri. Got a rusty Super Duty here. We're gonna fire that up, pull that on out. That's another project. And Rochambeau all this stuff here and get it outside. What do we got here? Is this moonshine? It looks like moonshine. Golly. Is that moonshine?
Isopropyl alcohol.
Isopropyl alcohol, never mind. Kind of like moonshine, but we won't be drinking it. Okay, let's get this truck fired up and get it out of here. See if we can roll coal this old sucker. Got the 7.3, baby. I hear it. It's doing something. It's doing something. cold. This is what happens when you buy a truck in New York and run it in the wintertime without having fluid film protect it, and then bring it down to PA. Body rust is a no-no in Pennsylvania. Can't have any holes or nothing in there, and this thing won't pass PA inspection. So Bob's got to go ahead, and he's got new doors and stuff. This is a restoration project. Got to go ahead and get another box. That's junk. Got doors to put on it. Need some rocker work. She's rusty, but that old 7.3, that's a good truck. Cleaned up, it'll be a good truck again. You got it. To the left just a little bit. So we can go over there. I don't want. Where do you want the Mustang? Dude, I can see David. This thing is awesome. I'm all about original paint cars. This thing would make an awesome driver. It's original paint. It's got the quad shocks down there in the back. You're only going to see one Capri with a 351 Cleveland in it. This is it. You're looking at it right here. On the wheels? Oh, the handles.
The handles.
It's a good plan. It might come off and kill us, isn't it?
I haven't had that problem yet.
That's what she said.
You get it in the center like this.
Oh, damn. Yeah. Oh,
Here, wait. Let me do it the way I do it.
well, the way you do it. Well, let me get behind the car and help push.
Hang on, hang on.
I can help push it from back here. Hold on. Wait.
Okay, now we gotta push the front. We'll push the front.
It's going towards that post.
Yep.
Wait, hold on.
Did it touch that post?
Yes.
Or is it that styrofoam?
It was touching the styrofoam, but it's also touching the post.
Okay, hang on. There we go. It's these watch the nose.
I can't see.
I started straightening it.
You're gonna hit the nose here in about 2 seconds.
Okay, push the ass end back around again. Just
don't wait. They can't go any closer up front because it's right there.
okay. Then hang on. Just you watch that nose, okay?
Yep. Wait.
The whole thing wants to go whenever I pull it.
I know. I gotta push back. Try it again. Okay. There we go.
There we go.
Whoever thought skating cars around was easy is sorely mistaken. Skates are like a pain in the balls act. On TV, it looks like you can just like push the car around by hand. It's like impossible. Maybe we got the wrong things. What do you got?
Differential.
It's leaking. The differential's leaking. Maybe the Harbor Freight ones are the problem, but I can't. I'm not the only one that's had trouble pushing cars around skates. It's crazy. So we're gonna set this thing down and monkey around with it, I guess. So there we go. We got it pushed on out. Pumped up front tires a little bit. We're gonna shove around that way, and then we're gonna put it outside because this thing's going to go get some engine work done to it. Apparently, the previous owner had overheated it, so needs to be gone through, make sure that the engine's not damaged. So we're gonna push it on that way, go blow up these rear tires, and then get it outside. Yeah, this thing rolls like gangbusters.
far you want to go with it.
Oh, boys. This thing's got the Cobra R rims. It's lowered. It's got, what'd you say the body kit was?
Cervini's.
Cervini.
You want me to unhook the battery? There you go. Blow the horn.
Yes.
That's just the tires rubbing against the fender.
I feel like I'm driving a Mustang.
Okay, that's good.
There we go. We got her outside. And this thing's filthy. This is a kid's teenage dream Mustang here. It's got the high back racing bucket seats for Fast and Furious action. It's got the 5-speed. What'd you say, Cellini hood?
No, it's Cervini's.
Cervini's
Storm and Norman hood
Storm and Norman hood.
and Stalker nose.
Look at that. Bam. It's a fiberglass hood. It's got the trick flow. I think I just showed you this, but it's got trick flow heads, trick flow intake, cam in it. It's got headers on it,
BBK shorty headers.
cold air intake, Cervini intake that goes to the Cervini hood.
Ram air. Yep.
Bam.
MSD box. Mac exhaust. Flowmasters. Caster camber plates. Lowered 1.5 inches.
It's got everything.
It's also got mass conversion. Mass airflow conversion.
This is what, an 88?
88.
So we're getting it out. He's got to get it sent to the garage. You're gonna
Send it to the crusher.
take it and pull the motor out and check that all over, I guess, and get it going. It's got Cobra R wheels. I guess they are. I'm not a Fox body expert by any stretch of imagination, but here we go. It's got custom paint job, racing stripes, all that stuff you need in your when you're doing your 5.0 action. You got to have all that. So look at this. We got like F-body and Rusty Super Duty action today. Pretty awesome. Like, I love that Capri. I should have bought it. And I'm a sucker for original paint stuff. Super cool, the 351 Cleveland in there. That'll be a cool car to get going. And then you got your lowered Teenage Dream 5-liter hatchback Mustang here. Forgot to show you, there's one more Capri over here. This was a drag car from a neighbor up the road, and he had a horrendous wreck and barrel rolled the thing and pretty much destroyed it. So Bob got the remnants here, but it's got some good pieces. Like on the blue Capri, it needs pieces here, and most of the floor is trash, but it's got a couple good pieces there. You can see it had subframe connectors all the way. Looks like a sway bar or something for the rear end. It had a whole cage in it. But the thing barrel rolled in a horrendous wreck, destroyed it. But these things are hard to find, so if you get a couple pieces out of it, it's better than nothing. Alright, so that's about it. We pulled out the Capri. That thing's super awesome. Got the 5-liter ready to go to the garage, so we're going to shut things down for tonight, but a little different here on the road from Carlisle. I came down here for that, and we figured we'd get these Mustangs out and start monkeying around with them. Well, Mercury, Capri, and Mustang. Fox body action. We had fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time at the Quick Speed Shop.